Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in an Alpha Keychain garage door remote. This is a quick fix that can save you from a remote that stops working without warning, and it only takes a few minutes. First, take a close look at the back of the remote and locate the screws. There should be 3 small screws holding the remote together. If you can't find the third one, make sure to check under the sticker, because on some models, the sticker is placed directly over the screw. For this job, you'll need a small Phillips screwdriver designed for electronics. Once you've found all 3 screws, carefully unscrew them one by one. Be very careful not to lose these screws. They're small, easy to drop, and hard to replace, so put them somewhere safe as soon as they're removed. With the screws out, the back plate should now be loose. Remove the back plate to reveal a small circuit board inside the remote. At this point, you can separate the circuit board from the front button plate. After flipping the board over, you'll immediately see the button battery. If the battery feels stuck, you can use the back plate you just removed to gently push the battery out of its holder without damaging anything. Replace the old battery with a CR2032 button battery, making sure the positive side is facing up. Once the new battery is in place, you can start reassembling the remote. Put the circuit board back in, making sure it's not upside down and that the buttons line up correctly with the front plate. Close the back plate, reinstall all 3 screws and tighten them snug, but not too tight. That's it. Your Alpha Keychain remote is now ready to use. If you found this helpful, leave a like and follow for more garage door tips and fixes.